8.2006 Dodge Charger 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5.8, 5.7L 345, RWD 5.7L HEMI multi-displacement 5.8 engine STD, 5-speed automatic transmission WAD Inc., auto stick STD, AM/FM stereo W cassette 6-disc CD changer MP3 player navigation system WGPS Inc., integrated display full screen navigation, leather trimmed front bucket seats STD, traction control, stability control, rear wheel drive, tires front touring, tires rear touring, aluminum wheels, temporary spare tire, power steering, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, intermittent wipers, variable speed,